Hi, at the end of section 10.g, I would like to make some remarks. So first, the terminologies in FM exam. So terminologies in FM exam is a little strange because when we say just duration, the exam just say duration, that means the Macaulay duration. But when the exam say just convexity, that is modified convexity. So when we use modified duration, the exam always say modified duration. And when we use the Macaulay convexity, the exam say Macaulay convexity. And again, the Macaulay duration is derivative with respect to delta, Macaulay convexity also with respect to delta, and the modified duration and modified convexity, these are the derivative with respect to I. So duration is basically the first derivative and the convexity is second derivative. Okay, so another remark is the price and the convexity. So we introduced convexity motivated by approximating price with the second order approximation. So convexity can be used to approximate the present value of the cash flow more accurately than just using duration. So that is, okay, so we have the P. Suppose the interest rate is I, then the present value is the P of I. And if the I changes by delta, the P of I plus delta is equal to P of I, the plus the first derivative of I, the P with respect to I times this the change amount delta. And if we use the second derivative, then this is the double prime I times the delta square over 2. So this is the by Taylor approximation. So this is approximately. So if we introduce this second term, then it's more accurate than just using duration. But this, yeah, so if we divide the both sides by pi, then that we can, yeah, so we can use the duration and the convexity. So yeah, so you can see that if you divide by pi, then just the change in ratio is equal to the p prime I of pi delta plus the p double prime of I pi times delta square over 2. And this is the duration. And this is convexity. Maybe modified and modified. But actually, this is not covered in FM exam, so that you don't really have to calculate in this way. But check the most updated syllabus because every time the exam is slightly changed.